Hello, and congratulations for wanting to become more consistent with your online posting for social media with your brand and your business. I'm Amy Singleton, the owner of Height Digital Norman, and I'm here today to show you some things that have helped me to become more consistent with my posting on social media. And one of those things is a tool called Canva. If you haven't heard of it, it's a fantastic tool that's going to really help you out and save you a lot of time in your business or your personal posting on their social media channels and even more. So navigate over to canva.com and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. If you already have a free account, I would encourage you to sign up for that pro account. It is $12 a month or $120 per year, but the time saved that the time you're going to save by buying that pro account is going to be exponential. So head on over to Canva and sign up. Today's training is going to be to show you how to set up a brand kit that will help you to become more consistent with your posting. When you log in, it's going to look like this. And this is basically just the home screen of what you'll see when you log in. You can see it says Pro. On the left-hand side, we want to scroll down to the brand where it says brand right here. Click there. You will see brand kit, brand templates, and brand controls. I'm going to show you what each one of those is. So you can see there's a few brand kits here already, but I'm going to add a new brand kit. And for the purposes of today, I'll be uploading my personal branding. And this will be the name is the name of your business or your name, whatever you'd like the brand kit to be called. And just click create. When you do that, it's going to give you some options. Right here, brand logos. This is where you're going to upload your logo. If you've had a logo professionally made, you're going to have several different file types. And those file types, you're going to want to use for digital. We always want to use PNG. Those are the ones that translate best to digital. So go ahead and upload those. Now, if you're going to be making like sell sheets, things that you're printing, you're going to want to also upload the PDF or the JPG version of those. JPG and PDF are for print. PNG are for digital assets. So if you're doing this for social media, be sure and upload the PNG images. Now, the next thing you'll upload after you get your logos is your brand colors. You may have a color palette that's acceptable for you to use, as I do. This is my primary color palette. There are codes associated with every color. And the RGB code, that's what this number is here. That is for digital assets. The CMYK, that's going to be for print. So if you are going to print, go ahead and click that add button there to add those CMYK colors. If you don't know your color codes or you don't have color codes, just choose a couple of colors and stick with them with consistency. If you want to add black and or white, the code for black is 6 zeros. The code for white is 6 Fs, just like that. There is my primary color palette. I personally have a secondary color palette, so we're going to add those colors here. And just keep copying, pasting those colors there. If you've got the codes, again, if you don't have color codes or don't have a brand manual that gives you the how-to of your brand, we'd be happy to help you out with that. But otherwise, just pick a couple and stick with them. Always want to have black and white pretty much. Okay, so now we're going to upload our fonts. If you have a font that's a very commonly used font, please tell me it's not Comic Sans or something like that. Just kidding. You can choose it from this list of commonly used fonts. If you have a brand that's been created for you, you may have a font that's bespoke for you that you can upload, and that's what I'm going to do now. Here are my two fonts. So I'm going to grab both of those primary fonts. You're going to have to confirm that you do own the rights to use those fonts. Just click yes, and it will upload them for you here. And then we're going to upload another font, which is our secondary font, Laura, right here. upload anyway. And now that we have uploaded our logos, our colors, and our fonts, this is going to allow us to have quick access to all of these as we're creating the different posts that we are making. So once you have all of that there, click back on brand. And if you have a lot of people in your business that will be creating these posts and you want to have full control, you can click color control, font control, and even design approval for you to be able to control the types of colors and fonts that they use, and even get approval before those are downloaded. Most of us are doing this on our own, so probably don't need that. Now, once you have the brand kit set up, click on brand templates and let's click add new. Add new brand template. And let's start off with a Facebook cover. Most of us have a Facebook page. So let's make us a Facebook cover. And let's pretend we are a real estate agent. Let's see, maybe we want this one right here. Looks pretty great. We'll pretend we're Adeline. All right. So what we can do now that we have this template pulled up, we can come in here and change out the name. And remember that we have our font. So when you click on font, if you scroll down just a little bit, right here, you can choose the brand kit that you're working with. If you have multiple brands or multiple businesses, that is a way that you can toggle between them. Here are our uploaded fonts. So we want to change that to my main font. We can change out the contact information. When we come into here, this is where when you click on the colors, you can tell there's an overlaid color there. You can change that out to our own colors. Again, this color here, click on the color box and it's going to pull your color palette up. If you're on the wrong ones or you have more than one, just be sure you're in the right brand kit. And there you can see we can start updating these colors and just using this template that Canva has provided so wonderfully for us. Maybe you want to switch this around just a little bit. It's kind of bright. There we go. Not perfect, but I think you guys get the idea. We can come in here and change out this to our font. Again, I'm going to put that as my secondary font. Might change the size just a little bit to make it fit. There we go. That's starting to look great. So now we've got this lady here and we want to change that out for sure. So let's just delete her and let's go over here to our uploads. Now I've already uploaded some pictures, but this is exactly where you would click upload file, come over to your pictures, documents, any graphic or photo of yourself that you want to upload to this, absolutely doable. And then just click, once you have it uploaded, click there. Now here is something that is super helpful. When you upload a new picture, you want it to look like that last one did, so professional. Click on edit image and Canva gives us this beautiful tool called background remover, BG remover. Click on that and watch this magic. It's lovely. You're going to love it. Going to make us look so professional. Boom. There she is. Amy the real estate agent. Perfect. So now that we have that, of course, I come in here and put my information, but now we have a Facebook cover that we can use. And once you've done it once, you can just publish the template. Let's say we want to add a new folder for all of your templates. Let's say Facebook cover template and add it to a new folder, publish the template. So now we have this beautiful template that we can come in and change out whenever we want to. When you click into it, we can click use this template and maybe it's Christmas time and we want to come in here and add a little Christmas tree next to us, or change out the the wording, or just add a little message down here. But this is already set up with our colors, our picture, and our basic information, so that we can come out and change this again and again over time and remain consistent. And that's not only applicable to the Facebook cover, we can also use it for posts. And let me show you a quick tip on that. So now that we've created your Facebook cover brand template, you can come and make copies, like clicking right here, make a copy, and that will make an additional copy. You can make a different version of that Facebook cover. Excuse me. Now, if you want to make a post, I would highly suggest that if you're going to post to Facebook and Instagram both, use the Instagram post template, because it's a square. Now, Facebook will accept a square post, but Instagram will not accept a 4x3 Facebook sized post. So we can get both platforms with the same post if we use the Instagram templates. So let's make a template for ourselves using this one here with our branding. Again, let's just pretend that Amy's a realtor, and we will add in our colors and our pictures here. So first thing you want to do, come in, make sure you're in your own brand template, and we can change our color palette. Just like this. I want to change our text to our font. And maybe we just closed with the Smith family, and change our text to our font again. Keep all of that branding consistent with the same font, same colors. Maybe you want to put that down here. I'm in the way. And we can add our logo. Remember, down here on the left is where your logos are. Again, you can see, maybe we'll just do the black, solid black one on this. Remember to respect these margins. So you want the majority of your content that you want people to be able to see to be within that little pink box that pops up right there. You can go a little over the edge if you have to, but try your very best to keep everything within the confines of that. And then maybe you could switch out this to the picture of the home that you sold. So again, you can do uploads, you can search the uploads, and you can even find different elements here. So I might click home, and you can even find stock photography here. So that's just another way that you can make a post. And again, this isn't perfect, but this is, once you have one thing done, then you can really go on to reduplicate that post again and again. Once you have one set up the way you like it, you can come in here and switch out this picture of the house, switch out, your picture for this one, change out the name of the family or the listing that you've got, whatever's going on in your business. Once you get a few of these templates set up, then you can come back here again and again and change it out. Go ahead and download it. Remember to do it for PNG whenever it's going to go on any social channel or be digital, like for your website. And make sure it's the PDF or the JPEG version if you're going to be printing. There's a lot more. I mean, we could spend 12 hours talking about everything that Canva has to offer. They've got some great tutorials and learning stuff within their platform. So I would just really encourage you to get in, grab that pro account, set up your brand kit. That's going to go a really long way with helping to keep you consistent in your colors and your fonts and your photos and your logos that will really begin to solidify you online and help people to start recognizing your brand. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for participating in the growth of your business, and we look forward to seeing you around. Thanks a lot.